Hello everyone! This is the second part of the video tutorial how to crochet a sweater. In this video, I'll show you how to join front and back parts together, work the body and sleeves, and finish up the top. Complete details about the project are available at interunit.com/crochet lace sweater. After you crochet about 11 rounds, join front and back parts together. To join front and back parts together, chain 4, skip the shoulder part, and then work the pattern as usual. Work one shell into the stitch, then work one shell under 2 chains of each crossed triple crochets to your next corner. Again, work shells to your next corner and then skip the shoulder part and continue working shells. At the end of the round, finish the shell. Work one slip stitch. And then work one slip stitch between these 2 triple crochets. For the next round, work one slip stitch above second triple crochet and then chain 6. Work one triple crochet above this triple crochet. And then continue the pattern as usual. Chain 2, 1 picker, and so on. At the end of the round 13, after last picker, chain 2 and work 1 slip stitch. Round 14, chain 5, work triple crochet 1 between these crossed triple crochets of the previous round, and then work as usual. Work one shell under 2 chains of each crossed triple crochets of the previous round to enter the round. At the end of the 14th round, finish the very first shell. After 2 triple crochets, work just 2 chains and then triple crochet 1 into the 4th chain. Round 15. Chain 1 picot, single crochet 1, 2 chains, single crochet 1, and then work as usual 2 chains, triple crochet 1, 2 chains, triple crochet 1 above chains, two chains picot, and so on. At the end of the round 15, work double crochet 1 under the very first chain, and then repeat the pattern starting from the round 12. So work your 16th round like your 12th round, round 17 like your 13th round, and so on. Chain 4, and then work shells to end. To crochet sleeves, attach the yarn under arm and then work the pattern in the round totally the same as you crochet the body. Just work shells to end. At the end of the first round, finish the shell. And then work one slip stitch. And then one slip stitch in between these triple crochets. And work second and all other rounds just like you did for the body. So again, slip stitch 1, chain 6 and so on. Lastly, single crochet around all your edges. After you single crochet borders, the sweater is ready, and thank you for watching.